Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another video on this YouTube channel. Anyways, hope you like that intro. So I haven't made a video in quite some time. I'm very sorry. I've been working, and at work things have been extremely busy. I just came from a 10 to 7 shift today, and oh my god, I am so tired. So first of all, before we get started on the video, I want to apologize to all of you of the way I look. I know I look like crap, but the thing is, I am so tired and I don't feel like changing my clothes right now, so I'm just like, yeah, I'm just gonna make the video. But anyways, I'm gonna try to make this duration as short as possible, because I know that you guys prefer short videos, so I don't want to make it long in any way. So let's just get on to the video. So first of all, ta-da! I got this as a Christmas gift, believe it or not, guys. I'm so excited. It's actually for my mom. And yeah, she got it from Walmart, I'm assuming. They're not the real AirPods, guys, but what it is like they're Bluetooth, and so they should hook up with my phone. So it says it's got 15 hours of playtime. Can you guys see that? So that's good. If you have like a typical 4-hour flight to Phoenix, you can just have those instead of, your normal headphone jack or whatever. These are really, really nice. I like the way they're packaged. So yeah, it's really nice. So it has a built-in microphone, Bluetooth voice assistant, 3 hours playtime per charge, 15 hours total with 4 extra case charges, auto pairing and in-ear detection. Earphones work together or independently. So if you just want to have one on and have the other off, it will work. It's splash proof, which is cool. Up to 33 feet wireless range. That's sick, guys. That's sick. But yeah, literally it's by the company ONN, just like a Walmart brand. And like I said, guys, I'm really excited. I'm gonna charge these tonight, and I'm actually going to use them for this. So yeah. But also, I just want to show you guys my phone case that I just got. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I think it is so freaking awesome. Look at the glitter and the sparkles and all that. Can you guys see it? I have bad lighting in my room. I'm sorry. I'm literally recording out of my iMac right now, so I apologize if the video is like super bad. I need to get like better lighting. Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is like an OtterBox, but it's better than an OtterBox because first of all, like OtterBoxes, like I feel are just ugh. And this one's just so cute. Oh my god. And I'm in love with this. Okay, I better stop. I know this video is getting longer and longer. I'm sorry. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know I'm gonna be pairing it. I can't even talk. I'm going to be pairing it with this, so you guys will get to see it on this video how I do so, but let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Alright, here we go with the third part of the video. So again, I do have to adjust the camera. Oh god. Okay, here's the product. Here we go. Okay, I'll stop the accent. Sorry about that. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so nervous because I may not be able to pair it if they're not charged, you know what I mean? Because these things may have to charge, so I may have to continue this video another day. My god, this is some weird packaging. My god. Sorry guys, because I got a case of carpal tunnel, and I've been cashiering today at my job, and so like I'm so tired, and I'm not even feeling well, guys, so I apologize. And by the way, guys, this ankle right here is I twisted it, guys, and I know you guys don't care about feet, but I twisted it, and yeah, it still hurts, and I'm putting pressure on it right now, and I shouldn't be. So I should probably not be taking long to unbox this. So I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Like I said, I got very bad carpal tunnel. Oh my god. There we go. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. take everything out. And actually, my mom said it's okay to open this. I know it's not Christmas Day, but she said it's okay to open this. So, as long as I got the permission. So, this thing here is just like a quick start guide, I guess. So, it says, yeah, so it comes with like one of these things. Can you guys see it? It's like a charging case. And then it comes with this, which plugs into one of those Apple power bricks, which is cool. Throw this over here. Yeah. So basically this just connects to this on the bottom, and yeah, like that. So like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to pair it tonight because it may not have battery. Alright, first time setup, remove the blue films and drop earphones back to charging case. Close the charging case top lid. Open the lid again. Earphones will automatically get into pairing mode. So I'm assuming that I gotta have this thing on open, my phone, and on Bluetooth. Okay. So let me adjust the camera one more time so you guys aren't looking at my feet. Ooh. Okay. So right now I'm currently recording out of these. So the next part of this video there's gonna be no audio, just because I'm going to be doing gestures so you guys can see if it's paired. So if I do this and I'm doing this, it means it's working. I'm gonna be playing a song from the iPhone so you guys can see that these will pair automatically. So let's cut here and let's get the pairing started. Alright guys, welcome back. So when I tried, the headphones did connect successfully to this, but the only problem is, guys, is that these did not come charged, as you can tell, but they have connected successfully. If you go under settings and Bluetooth on TWS earphones, it's on, but they're not connected right now because they are put in the charging case. So I'm going to charge them tonight and I'm going to test them maybe tomorrow or something to see how they work out. But I'm really happy with my new Christmas gift. Like I said, my mom got it for me. So it's really nice of her to do such a thing. But yeah, I'm hoping. The one thing I like, guys, that I was told that the AirPods don't do is that like on the corner of your, can you guys, oh my god, All right, sorry, because you guys probably can't see it, but in the corner of like right up here somewhere, like when you plug in the headphones, like it does show the battery, like how much battery is left on the headphones. So it showed very low battery, so that's why I was unable to play music on them because it has no battery. So what's going to happen is I'm going to charge them tonight and hopefully they'll work. They're indicating that they need to be charged. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But yeah, these are my Christmas gift, guys. So yeah, there you have it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please do me a favor and destroy the like button. And I will talk to you guys soon. And I know that some of you guys have been asking me if I'm going to make a Christmas vlog or if I'm going to make like a New Year's vlog. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make a Christmas vlog, guys. Because like I said, you know, we're not really doing anything this Christmas. As for New Year, I might try to film like Countdown Chicago and stuff like that if you guys want, but really we're not going to be doing much, guys, because like I said, it's quarantine and yeah, we're not going to be doing much. So yeah, I'm sorry. I know you guys like vlogs and stuff like that, but yeah. So anyways, so in about a week from now, I will like do a review on the product. Like I said, I think I have to, I shouldn't ask my mom how much she paid for this because it's a gift and I think it's like kind of rude to ask like how much did you pay for it. But I don't think she paid a lot of money, guys. I don't think so. But like I said, it's the thought that counts, guys. So I really do appreciate that I got this. This is really cool. So like I said, they look like AirPods. I don't think anybody be able to tell if they're actual AirPods or if they're something else. So it's gonna be awesome, guys. So anyways, I better get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, destroy that like button down below. Feel free to comment, and I will see all of you in my next video. Peace out.